row over FDI in retail is refusing to die down, but industry has welcomed the government's reform measures. Rajan Mittal, Vice Chairman and MD of Bharti Enterprises, says the fear of big retailers sweeping the kirana shops is unfounded, adding that the Indian market is tough and smaller retailers will hardly be affected.
Multi-brand retailers globally are coming into the country. There is a concern among the smaller shop owners, the kirana shop owners, the mom and pop shops as they are called. Do you think that there will be certain amount of displacement happening there?
You know, I have to say this is really unfounded and there's no empirical evidence, honestly speaking. If you really see for the last 7 years or maybe more than 10 years, when there has been modern retailing by Indian houses. Now, if you really go into the marketplace, the modern retail or the organized retail is only about 5 to 6%. They've not been able to displace. So we should not see the color of the money to say when an FDI comes in, you will displace them. If you see emerging markets like India, which is China, South Africa, Brazil, Mexico, and I've gone personally to see those markets, the coexistence has been there even after 15, 18, 20 years of opening up FDI, 100% FDI for that matter. The organized or the modern retailing or all this foreign-led retailing is only anywhere between 16 to 20%. Rest is by the local market. India is in any case very unique. Real estate is very unique. Your top-ups are very different. People don't have big, large houses to stock. People don't have SUVs to go buy or the cars to go. They will go on two-wheelers. And lastly, we must compare apples to apples. If you really see the kirana stores, they are 500, 700 square feet, not carrying more than 500-700 SKUs. Yeah. Our minimum size in the modern retailing is almost 3,000 square feet and to 4,000, which we really call our neighborhood store.
Yes.
And the larger ones, of course, more like 40-50,000. Yeah. So I think we have to keep that in mind.
Difficult task to get into those states which are still not agreeing on allowing multi-brand retail, because it seems to be more of an ideological opposition rather than just an issue of business enterprise or a view.
I'm not too sure it's ideological or it is political. So that is something, we'll have to figure it out. But my only submission here is allow some time for this industry to come around. And if a state like Maharashtra or Andhra Pradesh, where it has been allowed for argument, or for that matter, Delhi or Haryana has been allowed, and if it is a successful model where we are linking with farmers, we're linking with the industries around, packaging industry, employment generation, so on and so forth, it will be hard for a state to say, because the job of the state is to create facilitation, employment and everything around. The central government can only define a policy. It will be hard for them to say that while this state is doing well and there are no repercussions and there are no downsides, so we will not allow.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.